Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I will show you how to reset TP-Link M7450. You will see that this device has been configured by its custom password. Okay, we need to open the back panel so we can see the reset button at the bottom part of the battery. We will be needing a sharp thin tool like this ball pen. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds until the power off message will pop up. Then wait for it to reset for a few seconds. Make sure that the wireless broadband is charged to avoid any conflict during the reset process. We are now back at the menu. I will show you that this device has been reset by showing you that the password is in factory default.